Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. So I have a very small Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you, and only because there was one item that I found that I was super excited to share with all of you. Perhaps you guys have seen it already, maybe you haven't, but if you haven't, I definitely think this will be an item that you will want to put on your wish list. So without further ado, let's jump into this small Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so to start off the haul, I picked up some cookies at Dollar Tree. These ones I have not seen before, but they are delicious. Now, I will say it does say naturally and artificially flavored, so I wasn't too happy with the artificially flavored, but I figured every once in a while it would be a nice little treat to have, but they are delicious. They are oven baked lemon shortbread cookies with a tart icing, and if you guys haven't tried these and you do come across them at your Dollar Tree, I would definitely recommend you give them a try. I needed to get some light bulbs, so as I was in the aisle, I did see this night light. I haven't seen this one before myself. It is an LED, but it is an automatic light sensing. So I am actually going to put this in my hallway because it is dark at night, and at least this way, if somebody's walking by, the light will turn on so that it will be easier to see. So it is for indoor use only, but I was excited to come across this little item. And then I did pick up a few of these, as these are not always available at the Dollar Tree that I go to. They are the LED tea light candle, you know, the smaller tea light candle. And it comes with the little crystals, and they do change from red to blue to green. I always like to look over in the book section because a lot of times they come up with some really neat books. Not too long ago, I did pick up, they were like a comic book style with Frozen, Toy Story, and I can't remember, I think there were a couple other ones that I did pick up for my daughter, and she absolutely loves them. So this time around, I came across these hardcover books, and they are really, really nice. So the two that I picked up, there was one other one, and again, I can't remember what that one was, but I just picked up the Frozen, which is called Sisters, and I'll show you the inside. The illustrations are just so nice. So there you can see what it looks like on the inside. And then the second one that I picked up is Toy Story, An Infinite Friendship. So in the picture frame aisle, they also have some decor down that aisle at my Dollar Tree as well. I did pick up a couple things. There is one other item, and that is the item that I was super excited to find, but I am leaving that one for the end. So the first one was this photo frame. It's a 4x6. I absolutely love this. It has a black border on the inside where the picture goes, and then on the outer frame it says family, a whole lot of love, and then it looks like shiplap. I love this frame. So I was really happy to come across that. I came across these wine stoppers. So you get two in a package, and I did pick up the two different packages that they had. So there is a mermaid tail, and I don't know, is that a flower? Kind of looks like a cabbage to me, but pretty nonetheless. And then this other one has a unicorn and a rainbow. Pretty cute. And then I noticed they had this new glass jar container with a silver lid. And I thought it was neat because it was more of an oval shape, and you can see that the sides are beveled. So I thought that was really pretty that they came out with one that had a little bit of a different shape instead of it being just round or square. So I thought I would pick one of those up. I'm sure I will fill it with something. So I finally came across this particular pattern scarf. When they first came out, I was only able to pick up one, and I love this pattern. So I did find two this time around, so I just picked them up while I was there. I then came across some more pet bandanas, and I absolutely love these on my pup. So probably my favorite one is the black and white buffalo check. So I found them again. I picked up a couple for him, as well as this camo bandana. This one I had not seen before, so I thought that was cute. And then I came across these pet bowls. Now these I'll probably use them for my cats outside, but if not, then I'll figure something else to do with them. But I just love, again, the black and white buffalo check. Over in the beauty aisle, I came across some new items that I hadn't seen before. So the first are these women's socks, and they are by Essie Legwear. They are microfiber non-slip gel tab with aloe infused. So I thought that was a really nice find. I picked up a pair in the nude color as well as a black pair, and they're so soft. Next, I came across this jade facial roller, and let me go ahead and take it out of the pack. It is by Sassy and Chic, and it is a 360 rotating ball to relax, relieve, and tighten. I was excited to come across this because I do have some tightness in my, just in my jaw a little bit. I found after I did my dental work. So I think this will be really nice to use to kind of massage around that area. So let me go and take it out of the package because it really is a nice looking facial roller. Okay, so here you can see what it looks like. It's really nice looking. I love this green color, and it does look like it is marble. I'm sure it's like a faux marble on the actual roller as well as the handle. And then it has the gold hardware. So really, really pretty. And I'm excited to give this a try. I then came across these tea tree oil products. There were 4 different ones in the box that I found them in. So this one here is a tea tree night lotion. It's 1 fluid ounce, and it does have a pump at the top. The second one that I picked up is just a tea tree oil, 0.33 fluid ounces, 10 mils. And it's either a roller ball or it just has a little opening so that you can drip the drops out. I picked up this 1.8 ounce 50 gram tea tree clay mask. And then the last one that I found has a dropper, and it is a tea tree facial oil, again 1 fluid ounce. Okay guys, and the last item that I have to share with you is my most favorite item that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and they are light bulb terrariums. Now I was only able to find the 2, but I do hope to be on the lookout for some more of these. How awesome would these be hung on a patio or a porch out in your front, and then add some LED lights in there? I think they would be super, super cute. So how awesome are these? So here's my hand. So they are a really nice size. Similar to the other terrariums that they had before and still have at Dollar Tree, but again, you can see because of the neck of the light bulb, they are much bigger. I absolutely love these. Let me know if you found these at your Dollar Tree, and if this is an item, if you haven't found them, one that you definitely will be wanting to pick up. Let me know in the comment section below. Okay guys, well that will do it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It greatly helps my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye guys.